That's a massive scoliosis. That's been cooking up for lots and lots of years. Beautiful. Last time I looked at that x-ray, I remember seeing 18 fractures out of 24 vertebrae in the spine.
That's all you see was 18? Shit,
they were all full
55.
fractures. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Good.
Ow!
Yeah, you gonna break that bitch neck.
Oh, yeah. Good movement there, huh?
Yeah. You got me up there for you. Shit.
All right, Miss Lorraine, relax that head for
Relax,
me.
shit. God damn, Miss Lorraine bones already fragile.
We gotta get charged up now.
Good.
Damn, girl, you gonna be able to drop it like it's hot out there. Look at that neck gonna be
Power's on.
loose neck, girl.
Wow.
My middle of my back's too.
That all healing takes time.
Girl.
That this is an Amazon Prime,
Yeah.
right?